5 minutes I'll show you the easiest way to make update operation in Java. Okay, for example, click on this one. Employee name is Rita in Rita Kumar. Okay, no, Rita Kumar, no, is for example Rita Rajput. Okay, so in here we will write the phone number. For example, this is phone number. In update the button. Okay, data updated successfully. Rita, if name or last name is, or if name is Rajput, in the phone number is this one. So if you want to create a update operation, please like, share and subscribe our channel and leave your comments in your suggestion or question. Thank you so much. So for that, we will go to the project and go to here, go to design. Which one? For example, click on the edit button. Even action performs. So after this, we will create the try cache in right click. So in here we will write cache in, click on exception e. Okay, so after this, for example, e dot print structures semicolon. Okay, so after this, for example, we will copy the connection. We have already connection. Hold Ctrl plus S in Ctrl plus V. Hold Ctrl plus C and then copy this one. And after this, for example, we will create. So after this, we will create one variable. One variable, for example, a string. A string. A string ID is equal to 1 minute. A string user underscore ID is equal to ID dot get text. Okay, and semicolon. So after this, we will create for example a statement. Statement r is equal to con dot create statement semicolon. Okay, so after this we have some other queries. Okay, for example a string query equal to double quotation update. Okay, for example update which table do you want to update which one is student table. Is student update is student. So update is student. Set which one? Set is student underscore id is equal to double quotation single quotation. Okay, which one do you want? For example, plus id dot get text. Id dot get text is student. Id dot get text. This id dot get text. Okay, for example, double quotation in, we will plus id dot. So 1 minute, string query is equal to double update student. Set student underscore id is equal to single quotation double quotation plus id. So this right. 1 minute plus id dot get text. So in here we will create this statement. I think is this one in will be here. So 1 minute, I write query again. S string, for example, a string query is equal to double quotation update. Okay, is student. The table name is which one? Is student. Is student. Update is student. In set what is student underscore id is equal to single quotation double quotation plus id dot get text. Okay, dot get text. So dot get text plus double quotation single quotation. Okay, which one do you want again? For example, ename no ace name is equal to single quotation double quotation plus ace name dot get text, ace name dot get text. Okay, plus double quotation single quotation. So double quotation single quotation, which one again? For example, sorry, we will see a student table. So 1 minute. So ename if name. Okay, so in here we will come if name. If name is equal to single quotation double quotation plus if name dot get text. If name dot get text. I think in here if name is not. 1 minute. So the text box name is L name. So this L name. Okay, no problem. L name dot get text. So plus double quotation single quotation. Okay, so after double quotation single quotation, which one do you want? So single single quotation double quotation single quotation. uh for example, phone phone is equal to single quotation double quotation plus phone dot get text, phone dot get text. Okay, for example, plus double quotation single quotation, again email is equal to single quotation double quotation plus email dot get text, email dot get text plus double quotation single quotation. Okay, plus double quotation. Okay, double quotation, for example, where is student underscore id is equal to double quotation plus user underscore id. Which id? User underscore id. So bring in here user underscore id is this one. Okay, so after this we will run the query. For example, which one you can add dot execute update. In here we come add dot execute update. Okay, execute update. Which one? This one, execute update. In here we will write semicolon. So for example, j option pen dot show message dialog. In here we will write this. In here double quotation, for example, student data updated successfully. Okay, so in here we will close. For example, con dot close in uh, data for example, can't be this one. So I see if it's not have error, and then this is the last lesson. This is the last lesson of CRUD operation. So click on what? Click on this one. And I had no, for example, Rita, the last name is this is father name. Okay, for example, Rita father name is Ashish in update button. So 1 minute, we have some uh, errors in here. Which error? Okay, syntax error. If name is Ashish, info number is this, email is this one. ID, phone, email, last name. Okay, so in here we will see student ID's name, if name, phone or email. So in here we will see the code ID is name, if name, phone or email plus email dot where 1 minute, where 1 minute, where ID is equal to double quotation. Okay, where in here, for example, single quotation, double quotation plus, no, it's not right. So again run the file. So see the result. Click on this one. So if no, for example, this one. So which one, where we have example syntax error 1 minute. Sorry, we have some syntax error. For example, single quotation, double quotation. 1 minute, single quotation, double quotation. In here, one double quotation is remain, double quotation plus double quotation, comma. Okay, so after this, for example, come in here in what, in here, for example, uh, double quotation plus double quotation, comma. Okay, so after this, and I will come here, phone is equal to, in here, double quotation plus double quotation, comma. And then, for example, here, double quotation plus double quotation, comma. So against, so now I run the page. 1 minute, so run the file. If no, for example, this one. So against, we have some syntax error, and where we have some syntax error. So double quotation, single quotation, for example, sorry, double quotation, single quotation, double quotation plus in double quotation. So against, we will run the file and go to click on run file and click on here, close this one and go to the page. So click on this one, and for example this one is student data updated successfully. Click on here, in data will be update. For example, click on this one, name is, this name will be changed with Rida, and the father name is for example Khan. Okay, Khan. In the phone number is for example 0799. Okay, so in the email is for example Rita at gmail.com. Okay, so update button, click on the student data updated successfully. Okay, click on the OK button, so this will be finished. So if you want to give some style for forward for this page, you can go to design and click on this one minute, sorry, click on the button. So click on here and click on this button and bring on here, click this one. So first we will go to which one, for example cursor, no, and undecorated, or go to click on here, undecorated is right. So go to border, which one border is where, border. So click on bonds, one minute, bonds is not, so border. So this will be a little large. So go to resizable, one minute, no, resizable also is not, bending, event is not, code is also not. Click on this one, in here must be higher, click on this one and go to, sorry, go to, and if you want to bring icon images, you can click on here. Okay, so for example decorate it, resizable, it's not, in here I was found that word, that option focusable window, it's not, one minute here. So first we will write in here, for example current, no, student form, so this is also not. In here we will go to right click, properties in Windows stacked bounds, and here is the border properties. Okay, if you want to change the border, you can come here, one minute, so how's this button, I forgot that, focus this button, This not. Yeah, in here we was found and decorate it. No, this not, yaar. यार भाई ये सही नहीं है. Cancel this one, eh? Close this one, okay? Don't use that. But we will found them in here. I don't know why this one is 1 minute. So go to layout in absolute layout. Okay, so click on here, enable. Hmm. That's not your. Click on here. No, no. ये नहीं है. And click on inside. No. I think that is window button in here resizable. So sorry, I was forgot that Windows state. Okay, so click on here. JFrame is not here. JFrame bounce. No, close this one. In go to set location, media, undecorated, OPQ, resizable. Must be resizable. No. So 1 minute. I will run the file. Close this one. In here, run the file. So see, close this one in. Go to this one. For example, go to this. Close window, and here we will write, for example, where in here in forum. Okay, for example, in here we write this dot set location. This dot set location relative to null. Okay, null. Click on this one, hold Ctrl plus S and go to design, and we will give some other. For example, in here we will write in labels. Click on double click, for example, X button. Okay, so X button, click on this one and go to foreground, no font. Okay, so click on here in 36 or bold. Okay, when you okay this one and change the color and click on foreground color and go to red color. Okay, so after red color, in here we will write, for example, event key, or sorry, mouse clicked. Okay, after mouse click, you can write in here, for example, this dot dispose. Okay, dispose, click in here, semicolon, hold Ctrl plus S and go to right click, run the file, run the project in the last lessons. Okay, the last lesson of CRUD operation. If you like the videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and for more videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel. See, and click on this one. If you want to delete, submit, update and close, click on here. You can close this one. If you bring the cursor of this button, click on here and go to what, go to here, click on this one. Is in here we will find the cursor. Click on the cursor button, go to what, go to hand right, go to hand cursor. Okay, hand cursor and go to again source and right click, go to run the file. run the file. So this is will be cursor. Okay, another properties you can use from here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, any suggestion, you can ask from me, and I will teach you some other tutorial. And any videos you will need, we will can prepare for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Again, thank you so much.